This is what my question. When the thought will become ripened into truth? Only by action. Yeah. Only by action. See, thought can never ripen into truth without any action. Okay. Just a minute, I will change the next slide. Action is an important part of scholarship, without which the full truth and beauty of the world cannot be apprehended, cannot be understood completely. Without action, a person is not whole, a person is not complete. Okay. People learn by experience. Just a minute. People learn by experience and by confrontation with the obstacles of the world. They learn to conquer fear by facing and overcoming challenges. See how you will learn many things. Number one, from nature. Number two, from books. And you may learn many things from your own experience also. This is what Emerson says. People learn many things by experience, and they learn to conquer fear. பயத்தை அடிச்சு நொறுக்கிறது எப்படின்னா by overcoming all the challenges. Okay, by overcoming all the challenges. So you must learn how to conquer fear, your own fear, not others' fear. Okay, you must know how to conquer your fear. And next he says, drudgery, calamity, and exasperation want or instructors in eloquence and wisdom. What he says means, it is pearls and rubies to his discourse. Drudgery, calamity, exasperation want are instructors in eloquence and wisdom. Drudgery na hard work, kadum உழைப்பு. Okay. Calamity, of course you all know, natural disorders or the obstacles in our own life can also be called calamities. நமக்கே நிறைய தடங்கள் இருக்கும், அத calamityன்னு சொல்லலாம். Then exasperation, annoying, irritation. Okay, this we face daily. Drudgery, calamity, and exasperation. Then want, they are all the instructors in eloquence and wisdom. From these only we must get, that is from your own experience you must learn a lot, and you must get that knowledge and wisdom to survive in this life. So we learn everything by experience, and we learn to conquer our fear only by facing the challenges. You must know how to overcome the challenges. Okay, daily you face in your life. See, next Emerson says, the world around us is nothing but a shadow. It is the shadow of our own souls. It is the shadow of our own souls. நம்மளுடைய ஒரு பிரதிபலிப்புன்னு சொல்றதை விட நம்மளுடைய ஓன் ஷேடோஸ்ன்றார், நம்மளுடைய ஆத்மாவுடைய ஷேடோஸ், நிழல். ஓகே, are ourselves to action in this world leads us to better acquaintance with our own selves. ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்ககிட்டயா பழக பழகதான் again and again how to approach other people, you will come to a conclusion. Okay, so you will get better acquaintance, better relationship with the public. When you have the experience of meeting many people in this world, so these valuable experience lead us to great many thoughts. நீங்க இப்படி பழகுறது தான் மறுபடியும் மறுபடியும் சிந்திக்கும் போது அது ஒரு கிரேட் தாட்ஸா உங்களுக்குள்ளேயே போகும். ஓகே, இட் வில் பிகம் a great thought. It will become a great thought. So from action to experience, please write this line. From action to experience and from experience to thought, man grows. From action to experience, from experience to thought, man grows. See, first thought pa, then words, then word will become into action, then again from action, again and again doing, it will become an experience. Then from your own experience, you will learn a great thought. So you will grow again. Okay, that's what Emerson says. From action to experience, from experience to thought, man grows. Understood? Okay, next slide I shall pass on. See, thought and action undulate like the ebb and flow of breath. How we inhale, how we exhale. Okay, like ebb and flow of the river waves or ebb and flow of the ocean waves. You might have read, but here Emerson says, thought and action undulate like the ebb and flow of breath, like all things in nature, and each strengthens the other. Thought, action, thought, action. Okay, you must, first thought உங்களுக்குள்ள வரணும், next action செயல்படுத்தணும். Okay, then of course Emerson also has put forth his total strength in fit actions has the richest return of wisdom. So at last he says, life is our dictionary. Life is our dictionary. So we learn a lot from our own experiences. We learn a lot from our own experiences. That's what life is our dictionary. This is an epigrammatic sentence used by Emerson. So partial act, thus, that is, first thinking by itself is a partial act. நினைக்கும் பொழுதே பாதி செயல் முடிந்து விட்டது. Okay, thinking is a partial act and it can become complete. எப்போ முழுமையா முடியும்னா only through action. So thinking by itself is a partial act and it can become complete only through your action, says Emerson. I shall stop up to this. Next class I shall start with duties of the American scholar and how Emerson has used the metonymy. Thank you, Pa.